Oh, okay, everybody. This is Java2 Week 2. This week we went ahead and put a new activity on our application. So when we go ahead and click on that new activity, it'll grab all the information and it'll put it over to the new page. From here, basically from the lessons that we have, we were informed how to push a string over to the new activity, which is basically as far as I can get on there. I was trying to go ahead and look at new documentations for serialization and other methods to go ahead and pull them over, as my application will pull thousands of earthquakes depending on how active the world is at the moment. So I wanted to make sure I can only pull just that little bit amount of data over to the new activity. Currently, all it does is pull over that information, even some more information that I have on there, such as the longitude, latitude, and depth, over as a string. To break it apart and put it where it needs to go, that's something I have to look into over the weekend or find a developer to assist me on. At the bottom, you can see here it does have the stars. And once you do click on the star, it will stay on there even if you rotate the screen sideways. And it actually, on my code, it will display that information in the log as well. So I'll go ahead and save the instance. I'll go ahead and display it on the log, as I was not able as well to send that information back. I actually ran out of time. So if we go ahead and we click on the show on map button, at the moment, since I can't break that string apart to get the longitude and latitude to send it over to Google Maps, it is actually currently just going to the website where I grabbed the information from. Multiple activities, I would say they're very useful in an application. You can use them for multiple things, menus or anything you want separated from the main thread. Explicit and implicit intents, they're used on a majority of the applications, whether it's a help button that takes you to a website, or it's a show me on the map button, or it takes you to the maps application. This week I would have done a little bit more research on how to get the activity done. Find methods, find styles, find a way to get the actual activity that was due today done. So that way it wouldn't look as what we're looking at right now. Clarification, I would say it would be nice to have some clarification on what kind of information we could pass over to the new activity, how to pass it over using the on-touch listener or the on-click item listener, as well as more clarification on the finish, what happens when you hit the back button, what to do, what methods can we take advantage of when we're using those finish methods.